this is Jasmine's. This is my vlog, but
My vlog.
it's actually Jasmine's, and she's going to be showing her squishy that she made today.
It's not squishy, it's a slime sponge.
A slime sponge that she made today, and I'm really embarrassed. So shut you.
No. Okay. So you guys. Wait, is it here? Is it on my face?
Yeah, it's on your face.
No.
I'll do it.
No. You're a bit. Okay.
Video.
So guys, today I'm going to show you a sponge slime I made, and it's right here. It's a strawberry, and I did not buy it. I did not buy it off a slime fan or anything. I don't even have fans for it on here. So today I'm going to show you them, and might show you how to make one, or even a slime, like slime. But here we go. I'm going to show you.
She put stick in your head. I put it on.
Okay, here. And that's this. And you can see it comes up. But I'm going to get my... So, say hi.
Don't look at me.
So, guys, I came back and the squishy rose up again. Well, not squishy, slime. So I'm going to squeeze it for you guys again.
Are you making it?
Okay, that's that. And this sponge slime. You guys think it's just a normal slime, but it ain't. So what I did is I cut the sponge up. If you can't see, there is sponge in here, cut up. And here it's like, you can see the lumps. It looks like toilet paper was in it, but it really isn't. So I'm going to show you how to make it. Well, you already know because I did another video of it, but yeah. And you're probably wondering why I have my pajamas on, because I woke up and I felt bored to change. So here we go. So I'm gonna bring you with me outside, and yeah. So let's go. Oh, wait, let me see if I have sponge in my house. Let's see. These are cut up pieces I use. Doritos. But I don't seem to find some, so I'm going to go outside. Don't mind my dog. But I will hit her in the nose if she bites me. But she looks okay, so I'm not going to bother her. This is my side. So my dog ripped up these couches, and we see this foam. This, you need this out of a couch or a bed. So this is one. It's not dirty. Our dad sprayed it off with some. I'm gonna pause it. Okay, you guys, you can see I got some, and some of them are dirty, but it's okay. You can wipe it off. Sometimes it's fluff from it, so yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna put it back up. Oh, actually, let me get my sticky. It has to be kind of sticky. It has to be kind of sticky. This is what I use. There's a little bit in there, but I got more. Hold on, let me see if this one's. I got this one. Oh damn! She found that one, but she still doesn't have my slime. My dad's sleeping in here, that's why it's dark in here.
Oh.
Why?
It's so embarrassing.
Okay. So you guys, I'm gonna turn it around. Hopefully we can do just 10 minutes of Why did you touch it?
I wanted to feel it.
This is Millie's fail.
No, it's not. It's good fail. It is.
So you guys, if you want it to be clean, all you do is just cut that stuff off. So I'm gonna pause it so it doesn't take forever.
For you guys.
So you guys, I was gonna do an ice cream or ice block, but I decided to do a candy out of this. So
You need to make it smaller.
let's see if we can try and make
Something.
a chocolate bar. Let's do that. Okay, so I'm gonna put you back on the shelf. Okay, there. And Millie,
What?
go tell them what you're doing. I just need 5.
I don't know what I'm doing. What the hell? Just gonna see nothing but fluff.
Okay, move.
That was so great. I know the.
I was like thinking to do strawberry and cream, or strawberry and whatever. So I'm gonna try and use this slime to put it in here. I don't know what's gonna turn out, so I'm gonna put water in it to make it stickier. And I'm gonna pause it because I feel like I wasted a lot of time. So, see you again. Okay, you guys, I'm back and with sticky slime. So, you guys, it's really hard to have one hand with sticky slime. So, please don't judge because I'm still a new YouTuber and I still need some help. So, yeah. Now I got the sticky slime and I'm going to put it all over the sponge. And then if you need more, you just get some more. So I got some chocolate slime. Well, it's not actually chocolate, but yeah. And you put it all over it. All over it. If you don't get the crackalackis like that, it's okay because it would be fine. Just believe me because I did this before. So I need to be quick. I'm gonna do layers like vanilla, strawberry slime. So the 10 it's vanilla. Because this one's clear, so yeah, so get down. Molly, can you help me?
What? Not fun.
Okay.
Not joking.
Okay, so, oh damn. Okay. Okay, I got the vanilla done. And now it's gonna be the strawberry. So I need to put you off because my strawberry isn't sticky. So let me pause it. Oh,